Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your Simplifi account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in Simplifi and type in simplifimoney.com. Soon after you end up in the official website for Simplifi, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right corner and you will be able to see a couple of sign out and sign in options. To sign out of your Quicken Simplifi account, click on sign out right under my account. But remember that you will need to verify your account information to sign in back to your account again. Make sure that you remember your password and your email, and you also have an access to your email address or your phone number to verify your identity. So with just a simple click of a button, you will be able to log out of Quicken's Simplifi. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.